Listen to stories and learn drawing together with Drawing with Babu YouTube channel. Some funny and delightful moral stories for you. 1. Conifers. Once upon a time, two brothers lived at the edge of a forest. The elder brother was very mean to his younger brother and ate all the food and took all his good clothes. One day, the elder brother went into the forest in search of some wood to sell in the market. As he wandered around cutting tree after tree, he came upon a magical tree. The tree said to him, "Oh sir, please don't cut my branch. If you leave me, I will give you my golden apple." The elder brother agreed but was disappointed with the number of apples the tree gave. He was overcome with greed, and threatened the tree that if it did not yield more apples, he would cut the tree from the roots. Instead, the tree showered hundreds of tiny needles on Big Brother. As the sun sank below the horizon, the elder brother lay on the ground in pain. The younger brother got worried and went in search of the elder brother. He found her with hundreds of needles sticking out of her skin. He picked up each needle despite the pain. After it was over, Big Brother apologized for mistreating him and promised to be better from now on. The tree saw the Big Brother's change of heart and gave them all the golden apples they needed. Advertisements. The motto of the story: being kind and forgiving is important because it will always be rewarded. Welcome friends to my Drawing with Babu channel. Today I want to reveal a beautiful drawing to you. The drawing will be a friend account. First there will be a line and then it will be deleted again to make it easier to understand. Then take a pen and keep giving it crookedly around, thus making two crooked lines. Then take one long line per bend. Take smaller lines on that line so that they can be understood as branches of the tree. Then draw one leaf on the branches with a red pencil so that it looks very beautiful. Draw the stem of the tree with a green pencil between the branches. Draw like this 2 or 3 times. Then draw a line around it, or you can give another design. Then a little grass will grow at the base of the tree. If you like it, subscribe and stay by my side. I ended by welcoming you. Goodbye. Listen to stories and learn drawing together with Drawing with Babu YouTube channel. Some funny and delightful moral stories for you. Once Akbar put a question in his court that surprised everyone. While they were all trying to figure out the answer, Birbal stepped forward and asked what was the matter. And so they asked him the question. Advertisements. How many crows are there in the city? Birbal immediately smiled, approached Akbar and announced that the answer to his question was 21,523. When asked how he knew the answer, Birbal replied, "Tell your people to count the number of crows. If there are more, cousins from out of town have come to visit them. If less, the uncles have gone out of town to visit their relatives." Pleased with the answer, Akbar presented Birbal with a ruby and pearl necklace. Advertisements. The motto of the story: having an explanation for your answer is just as important as having an answer. 3. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time there was a boy whose father told him one day that he was old enough to take care of the sheep. Every day he had to take the sheep to the grass field and watch them ride to become strong sheep with thick wool. The boy was still unhappy. He wanted to run and play, not guard pesky sheep. So, he decided to have some fun instead. He shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" until the whole village came running with stones to drive the wolf away. so that it could not eat a single sheep. When they saw that there was no wolf, the boy left grumbling at them for wasting their time and scaring them in the process. The next day, the boy shouted again,